Hey, it's Living with Charnelle. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I am excited to share with you a strawberry salad recipe. For this recipe, you will need strawberries. I'm going to be using a spring mix, baby lettuce and baby greens for this recipe. A type of nuts. Here I have walnuts. Because I'm not a big fan of walnuts, I'm actually going to be using peanuts instead. And you can also add cheese if you want to. I don't like cheese in mine, so I will not be adding cheese. Cut your strawberries. Time to put together our salad. I have cleaned my salad. As you can see, you have some spinach, you have some baby salad. I'm just gonna go ahead and place that in here. Next, we're gonna add our strawberries. And if you don't have strawberries, you can also add any summer type of fruits. I also like to have mandarins or pineapples in mine. You can also add apples. I'm not really a big fan of apples in mine, but you can add apples if you would like to. Go ahead and add your walnut or any other nuts that you would like. If you're going to use the walnut, I will advise to kind of like toast it just a little bit to bring out that beautiful smell and taste. If not, if you like it raw like this, go ahead and do that. I personally am not a big fan of walnuts, so I'm going to be adding peanuts in mine. I have here toasted peanuts. You can also add it raw if you would like it. That way I like it toasted, so I'm going to add my toasted peanuts. You can also add almonds if you like. I also like almonds in mine, but I don't have any almonds around the house, so I'm gonna add just peanuts. There you go, you have your salad. I'm gonna go ahead and make a little vinaigrette to eat this. So for my vinaigrette, I'm gonna need some black pepper, salt, balsamic vinegar, olive oil, and some honey. I'm just gonna eyeball. You can definitely go ahead and measure as you would like. This video is mostly about the salad, so I'm just gonna eyeball this. Vinegar. This salad is supposed to be kind of like on the sweet side, so I'm gonna add some honey. I'm gonna transfer it in this old vinegar bottle. I took out the paper. I'm gonna transfer that in here, shake it, and this will be ready for our salad. I'm gonna drop in just a few of these walnuts. That should give it some texture, but I still won't eat it.